transport solution. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. Everybody changes his mind. Look along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the reward.
Isn't it right here?
Tower.
Like two pilots are going to stand side by side facing this way. My gunners will go right behind them. And my
My two in the front, you guys are pilots. You are left and right side to side for me, okay? You are up and down, push goes down, and pull this up. Once again, push this down and pull this up. I know. This is Shelley Duvall.
Left to right.
Yes, left and right. Oh, wait! There she goes.
Oh, she's so pretty.
Shelley Duvall.
Why does she have two names?
Because her name is Shelley, but you know the I'm Shelley Duvall. That's her. Yeah. My two gunners in the middle, you guys are blowing things up, so any lights that flash, you will press something, okay? And my two engineers are fixing things, any lights that flash, you press for me, alright? My friends, you want to go all the way down, please enjoy, have fun.
Today's flight takes you to planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete
For your safety, remain seated and supervise young ones.
Right there.
Just left to right.
Yeah.
So I'm going, if we want to go right, I turn right.
Yep. Pay attention to the buttons. Click them.
As soon as they light up.
Yep.
Lights up, hit it. Push it.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
Not yet.
Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Here we go.
There's the train. Jump. Faster. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Right.
There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
Oh.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. company, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep smashing those controls. Great, gunners, shoot the train, and engineers keep reeling. I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. I've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out!
Oh,
That's going to be hard.
no.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You will
Oh
bring
man, I almost got us to a next
Sebastian.
level,
This
dude.
will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. Oh, that is rough.
Oh,
Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel to uncharted regions. Whoa, looks like we're ready to unload.
Oh man.
that was awesome.
General text, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
Look at it's all damaged up because of us. Wow. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. Being a pilot like that is the way to go. Riding that ride as a pilot makes that 10 times better. For a fact.